The National Weather Service in Geniusville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parkertown, Geniusville Heights, North Geniusville, Sawyerville, Geniusville Airport and the rest of Geniusville, until 7 p.m. At 6:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornadoes was located near Denver, or 3 miles east of Aurora, moving west at 73 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Hazard: severe thunderstorm capable of forming tornadoes with gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Expect damage to vehicles, roofs, sidings and trees. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. We repeat, the National Weather Service in Geniusville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following towns in Geniusville: Parkertown, Geniusville Heights, North Geniusville, Sawyerville, Geniusville Airport and the rest of Geniusville, Colorado. If you have a report about any severe weather, contact your local law enforcement. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Geniusville.